Big up yourself.
Up full. Circle such man, you know.
I want go, man.
Watch your style, yeah. I say as long as you're there, you're alone to the block, yeah.
Brother, remember something I know you, you know. And a business we are dealing with. I appreciate the place you give me. But you can't tell me, say, none of my soldiers can know me there. So I give you a rifle and a handgun and a fully strap.
I say you deal with your NI bargain. And sort out my own. Only an agent could have fired me yesterday. You know. Oh, go on.
Come on, go. You know me a fall.
You know what I'm saying? I just about to feed the hog them and look and see how forward.
No, say I circle me circle you. Link it is now and say me I make a circle, you know?
You don't say a long time. But watch out now. Show over the side of the car. I want to kick off back the thing there, you know.
How we have put over here?
That's some color look I put over there, man. You see me?
Oh, so you done in the studio?
Oh man. But this is my thing too, you know, man. I could take a closer look, yes. See them pop show, yeah.
Boss, you're not telling me what going.
How old are you, yeah?
You should have figured it out.
Second time now me I see that brother there.
You see what you do, youth? You trust people too much like you're a loan officer. What I'm telling you, dog? We not ramp with people, dog.
You know, brother? What I do what I do. Because you don't understand what I go on there, so.
Well, whisper. Remember, you know, when any other thing fail, you know, brother, I always plant the side, you know. Because we have to get food, you see.
Real man. Love how now do the right things still, you know? But realize say you eat this a live wide, you know. How what? You wanna busy?
Oh man, I heard that, you know. That's the hurt, brother. More time I have to just struggle alone, you see.
I never think me that hear you say that, brother. You want eat this? And I fall from so far.
That's how you're going, brother. You see. 7 brothers, 7 different minds, you see me.
So you say, I know nothing go on.
Not really, you know.
I don't mean I tell that. We're humans, you know. I can jump off sometime.
Whisper. I know what's my rate you. When you see it is ambitious, let them dip on a different part. And brother, I'm not take disrespect, you know. So we just allow them make them do them thing.
So I say, man in this, yeah?
I know it is, you know. A vicious and inhuman. Men I rate no man who take help program, brother.
John, my brother. That's sound away, you know. You know, say one of the fastest thing that mash up friendship. When a woman drop in. But you can't allow that, you hear that? What go on?
Far as I see it, she not rate with. Come like it is never see that, brother. You get a message, she are this way. And right now, vicious come like you end up at this way. So if it is not say nothing, me I gotta say something about that, brother.
Alright. I'm sure you have vibes as a youth in a funny age group, see? You know what friendship is like. You see that friendship they wanna have, don't make nobody at all get in between that, see? You have to sit down and reason, brother. Talk about how you have to deal with the situation. More than every man just get up in them feelings, you see me? Because no man know your head space there. So you have to make them know that. And then we tell you what going and come to an agreement. But don't make this happen, brother.
You know, look what thing go down. And it chip me out, brother. You see? You know me stay in a whisper. I always say something where I don't really mean it, brother. You see? So right now, I just go and talk in by myself. Make everything slide and breeze. Before me give them a link. You see?
Real big man talk that, you know. Love that meds there. You see, the thing is, when you can identify say you're wrong, you can talk about it.
See right now, whisper. I focus right now on some other thing I bring, you know, like I invest in a restaurant. You see it?
Brother, don't stretch yourself too thin, you know, brother. Farm, studio, no restaurant.
Everything blend in, man. You know, see it? People always listen to music, you know, and me I plant the food. Might as well go and cook it too.
Makes sense, man. Right move, yeah?
I tell you, man.
You know, say a long time in a chatty ground. Over here, say stay.
A long time I want chat. I want to say a pipe bust this morning.
Which part?
From a water boat to the road, that's the man.